That is, look, when you pass away, and I would say this to my wife, it's when I pass, here's like a list of things that you need to address right away, or in a short time. You don't want to do anything rash and right away, but if you have a thoughtful plan, it's important to kind of together a list to say, there's going to be an insurance. We have the life insurance in place. You're going to need a death certificate and a claim form. What are you going to do with those proceeds? And I would go, because I'm a financial advisor, I would go and say, you would invest it this way to replace
Yeah.
the income. Or if we've got a mortgage left still, you pay the mortgage off. Think of it from a cash flow standpoint. It's like, I'm going to pay off these bills. I'm going to generate income from the rest of it. And this is my suggestion of how, what the plan should be like. So simplicity in the sense of making sure that they understand let me back up a minute. Oftentimes, and I see this very common, one person in the family is the CFO. So they're the
Yeah.
ones that are handling most of the day-to-day expenses. So if the spouse is not the CFO, they need to have a list of how to continue, like how everything's on bill pay. And I think a very nice list of detailing the day-to-day expenses, but also the detailed decisions they need to make in regards to life insurance, what to do with the annuity. What about the retirement accounts that are in my name? How do those pass to my wife? And so I think it's important that in this process that you kind of try to make it as simple as possible. So the water bill doesn't get turned off, the
Yeah.
garbage,
No,
the
that's
day-to-day,
right.
you don't think about the day-to-day things. There's some administration at the bank. They need to know that, that the spouse is passed and some things need to change.